Okay, I just got out of the studio. Anyway, today's video is actually a surprise that I've prepared, collaborating with Laneige for Cheryl. Lately, she has been feeling so stressed. She has been juggling both like school and work at the same time, and you know, I just really want to show her some appreciation because she's been with me full-time for almost 2 years now, and I would say, like, if anything, she's much closer to me than my own family, and I see her like my little sister, and I'm just so appreciative, you know, for her presence. She helped me in so many ways, be it like as my friend, as my sister, as my consultant, as my confidant, and also as my assistant. Like, I think I just really want to show her my gratitude and my appreciation, and so that is why we are filming this video, because I actually planned a makeover for her at Laneige later on. I'm also going to be shopping for her for Christmas because I know she's a big fan of a lot of Laneige products, and a lot of the time she told me that she really wants to buy everything and wants to try everything, but she can't. I hope to be able to give her that today. So I told her we're gonna go to the Laneige counter to do a makeover where I'm gonna get made over, but actually in actual fact she is. The Laneige team also prepared a surprise dinner for us at the end of today's shopping spree, so I hope she's gonna be really happy and surprised. So yeah. Shh. Okay, so now we are going to Laneige latest boutique at Bugis Junction, so let's go. Okay, so here's all the holiday collection. So pretty! I think this will be my favorite. Look at that. It's the Dream Skin in different colors and all in travel size. And I think this one is sleeping mask, and the last bottle is the Sika one as well. So it's only $40, so it's quite worth the money. And this is the most affordable one with 3 lip sleeping mask sets. What should we buy for people?
I like this.
You like this one?
This is quite worth.
Actually, because you use the sleeping mask, right?
Yeah, there's like 3 inside, and like you can use different type.
Wow, and it's $40. Actually, it's quite worth it. And I like the size. The size is like very small and can bring. Have you tried the Sika one before?
No, I haven't.
Oh, you have not tried. I think you'll like it.
I've tried the normal water sleeping mask.
Kept telling me to give her my spare one, which I did. I did, right?
Haven't.
Oh, I haven't. Oops. Sorry. Okay, I'll give you after this video. Some travel size stuff here with a very beautiful case. $112. I think it's quite worth it because, you know, I think everything you add together is definitely way more than it. So pretty, right?
Yeah, the packaging is really nice. I like it.
What do you not like, man?
You.
Huh? You don't like it? Remember this. So now, I'm gonna do a makeover. Where are we doing the makeover? So, I have decided to have Cheryl do the makeover. That's why I'm gonna do a makeover for you. Not I do lah, they do. Don't worry. Okay? Are you shocked?
You never tell me,
Huh? What must tell you?
You never tell me, you lie to me. She tell me that I'm gonna film her.
Cheryl has never done like these kind of makeovers before.
No wonder you asked me to come. They gonna make me look ugly on your YouTube with no makeup on.
Okay, I won't take you with no makeup. While Cheryl is getting her skin prepped, I'm just gonna walk around and look at some other things. Really like the water bank series, you guys already know. So if I were to choose, I would say this is like the most worth it set this Christmas. It's only $112 and you get 2 full-size products. There's a full-size water bank moisture essence, water cream, also the mask, and some travel size stuff here with a very beautiful kit. The minis as well with the sleeping mask, which I'm gonna get one for Cheryl, of course, because she really likes it. So I'm gonna get this one for her. Okay, I think I will just get these things. Just secretly. Getting them to wrap it up for me quietly. I hope Cheryl likes it. What's for dinner later?
Okay, so you're going for
buffet course at JW South.
Okay.
I've already arranged. It'll be booked under your name, Mongshu.
Okay.
Yeah. So you all can just enjoy. There's also wine.
It's buffet and wine. Okay, but Cheryl doesn't drink. Boring. And I got a cold, so I'll just drink a little bit, but it's okay. Yeah. So it's just a candlelight dinner for the both of us. Thank you. Yeah, she doesn't know. She's gonna scream at me again. So have you used any Laneige makeup products before?
Makeup products only the two-tone lip bar.
Ooh, what look are we creating for her?
Actually more like Korean style. They are actually using our new eyeshadow. This palette.
This is the new eyeshadow palette.
It's actually with the shimmer.
Wow.
It's such an unflattering angle. I really like the smell.
For the water bank ring.
Yeah, everything smells nice. I feel like I'm so in love.
She's getting a makeover. I'm just over here filming her and also learning a little bit more about how to apply. She started off with this Screen Refiner Light, and it's kind of like a toner and pre-moisturizer of sort. And then after that, she used this, which is the Water Bank Hydro Essence, to just put some hydrating layer on your skin.
I feel like my skin feels revived. Just like my life.
So now she's applying the green one and just target the redness areas.
I actually don't feel anything on my skin.
Ooh, it's very lightweight.
Yeah.
I actually really like it because it's not very cakey and it's super brightening on your face. She's starting on eyeshadow right now, and with their latest eyeshadow quad.
So to use as a base color for the whole eyelid.
Wow, I like the color.
With purple pink.
Wow, this eyeliner is so interesting. You can put your finger through there for better control. She's using brown. Skin looks much nicer and you look a lot more awake. Wow, slowly coming together. Ah, pretty. You actually look different Do you think you look pretty?
I can't really see.
How come?
Because I'm distracted by you.
Didn't know I would blind you. And there's my first day you slowly turn. Ready? Ta-da! Wow! 예뻐! You like it?
Yes.
Wow! Okay, so what have you learned from today?
I need to put more skincare.
Uh-huh.
And I need to use a lighter cushion.
Right.
And I need to use this. What is this? This saved my life. Wait.
This thing?
This thing.
Okay, so I
Yeah.
I got that hint. Yep. Okay, so we're done with the makeover. I'm gonna collect my goodie bag. Yeah! Thank you.
is the invite to our event later.
Okay. Oh, okay. I got an invite. Thank you. I'll see you later. Bye bye. Wow. Kaza. Okay, so now we have to go for an event at JW Marriott, and I think that we are on time. I think it's at 6 or something. So let's go.
I can't believe how different I look.
Are you touched?
Yes. I look so different.
Ooh, just say I look so pretty.
I look so pretty.
Oh gosh, this person is like totally like very 自恋 right now. What have I done? Okay, so right now we're on our way to the Laneige welcome dinner. Yay. Got Cheryl, beautiful Cheryl with me. Cheryl on knee with me. I don't know, I heard dinner is going to be very nice. So yeah, I'm wearing my dress from my collaboration with Lavette, and that's it. Yeah, you can ask me a question again.
So what's the dinner for?
So Laneige, every year they kind of like host this get together party to thank everybody for the entire year of like hard work kind of. And I heard it's gonna be very nice. It's buffet as well. So actually this dinner is just for the both of us.
Oh really? Really?
Yes, it's a surprise for you.
My heart can only take one thing at one time.
Yeah, so it's a surprise for you because you've been working so hard. Ton of gifts from the store for you.
Thank you.
Stress in school.
Thank you.
Thought I would bring out for a nice meal.
Wait, so is the Laneige like invite legit?
Yes. I told them and they prepared, they booked it for me to make it part of the plan. And I know because you like your Laneige like sleeping mask.
眼泪流出来.
That's the best you can do. So are you very shocked? Cheers to better views, vlogs better views and happier, like happiness. Do well in school, good grades, good health, and don't be so stressed anymore, okay?
Thank you. Cheers.
It's mocktail. So the people at Beach Road Kitchen actually prepared these for us. So that's very nice. Thank you so much. Okay, let's go dig in because I heard the spread is amazing. We almost missed out this room. Oysters, all the salad. Okay, let's go and dig it. I can't wait.
Is that why you asked me which I like?
Yeah. There are 3 things inside.
Oh my god, they wrapped it so nicely.
Yeah. Thank you to the Laneige Team.
God, I feel like I'm opening my first and early Christmas present.
It is your Christmas present.
Is this the lip slipping pack? Thank you.
I know what it is.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Well, now you have to edit this video.
I will edit it nicely.
You'll find lots of surprises when you're going through the footage.
Huh? Really?
Yeah.
But how do you shoot it while I didn't hear it?
I have no idea why. You'll know when you start editing it.
Okay.
Yeah. Gosh, I'm so full. Dinner was so great. And Cheryl had so much fun, I guess. You did you? Alright, I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. I'll see you in my next one. Bye bye. Oh my gosh, look at me, I'm so red. This is half a glass of wine, by the way.